Kushal, and myself, Veet Kirat Singh Nag, are going to present our experiment, Newton colored disc.
For this experiment, we need a piece of cardboard, a sheet of paper, Scotch tape, and colors.
For the demonstration, I have cut two circles of equal size from a piece of cardboard and a sheet of paper and pasted them together. I divided the circle into 7 equal parts and colored each part with a different color with the colors of the rainbow: vibgyo, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red.
We have made the hole in the center of the circle and inserted a thread in it. You can also insert a pencil in it. Now I rotate the disc at a high speed with the help of a thread. We find that rotating the disc on a high speed, the colors vanish and the paper looks white. This happens because when the disc rotates, the colors blend with each other and disappear, making the disc look white. So we learned that white light is the combination of 7 different colors found in the rainbow. Thank you.
All right, children. Thank you for the wonderful experiment. Now tell me, children, where do we see these band of 7 colors in our daily life? Do we see it around? Yes, Sargun?
Ma'am, we see the band of color.
Sorry, I can't hear.
Unmute yourself, Sargun.
Ma'am, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear. Tell me.
In real life, we see the band of colors in rainbow.
Okay. In rainbow.
In prism.
Right? Okay, prism, rainbow. All right.
If light passes through it.
Okay, when the light passes. Okay. Shalini ma'am, would you like to ask them?
Yes, just now Sargun said we see the band of 7 colors in a rainbow. Can any one of you tell me how is a rainbow formed? Yes, Kirat? How is a rainbow formed?
Ma'am, when the sun rays pass through the hanging water droplets, which act as a small prism, whose function is to break the white light into 7 different colors found in a rainbow vibgyor.
Okay, right, good. So which is more denser, the air or water over here? The water droplet or the air?
Now water droplet.
Very good. Thank you, very good. Kirat, thank you very much, children. Thank you, children. Well done.
Good morning, everyone. Be the members of group 13, Alan, Anisha, Susan, and myself, Eric Min, are going to present the experiment water density. Over to Alan.
In this experiment, we need 3 lemons, 1 water, salt, sugar, and 3 glasses. Over to Anisha.
For the demonstration, I will first fill the glasses with water. Each glass will be filled 3/4. Put a lemon in the first glass. Add a tablespoon of salt in the second glass. And stir it well. Put the lemon in it. Add a tablespoon of sugar in the third glass. And stir it well. Put the lemon in it. Over to Susan.
In the first glass, we see that the lemon sinks the bottom of the glass. In the third glass, we see that the lemon floats in the glass. In the third glass, we see that the lemon floats in the glass. This happened because lemon is heavier than the water in the first glass, and in the second and third glass, lemon floats because the water became heavier due to salt and sugar added to it. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, teacher.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, you were okay, kids. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, Susan, you were showing us a lot of things, and lemon and all sank into the water, and as soon as you added salt and sugar, they started floating on water. What made the change? Why did it happen? What made the change?
Ma'am, when the salt and sugar was added in the second and third glass, the lemon floats because salt and sugar makes the water heavier.
Okay, so what happened to the lemon and lemon? When the
Ma'am, the
salt
lemon,
and sugar makes the water heavier, so what happens to the lemon? Why it starts floating?
ma'am, it starts floating because when we mix the salt and sugar to the water suddenly became heavier and the lemons comes up and started floating.
Lemon becomes lighter than that heavy material. That's why it starts floating. Okay? Anything that
Okay.
floats on water is lighter than that. All right? Okay, over to you, Mamta ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, now children, you did your experiment with lemon. Okay, so now instead of lemon, if I'm going to take a coin, right, and if I put it in water, will it float or will it sink?
Ma'am, it will sink.
Why will it sink?
Ma'am, because coin is heavier.
Coin is heavier than what?
Water.
Okay, anything, any other reason?
Ma'am, when the weight of an coin is more than the weight of water, display by it is sink.
Okay, thank you so much, Anisha. You're absolutely right. Thank you, dear. Thank you.
Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children. Can we have Shiza and Sharanya?
I quote Frank Herbert. One learns from books and examples only that certain things can be done. Actual learning requires that you do those things. Today's experience has truly taught us that true knowledge is only attained when you strive to explore beyond the textbooks and unravel the mysteries of the world.
With this, we come to an end of day 1 of our science exhibition. I would like to extend a heartfelt thanks to all the parents for gracing us with their presence. Now, I request you all to rise for the school hymn.
Good morning, students and all the teachers. Ma'am Srija, I think ma'am is busy. So children, you remember what Father taught you? You have to keep questioning each thing, each and everything that you around you. You must know why and how. My voice is echoing. Shiza, is it echoing?
Yes, Sivi ma'am, it's echoing.
Okay. I'll just take 10 seconds before you people leave. Please thank Ma'am Shrija for her presence.
Where is it?
Okay.
Oh,
Thank you, ma'am.
thank you very much. I'm unable to unmute me. Okay, I'm on Ma'am Charu's system. So thank you very much. It was the teachers. I must congratulate you. It's stupendous work that you have put in to bring your children to this platform, and it seemed so well.
of course, unlike Father Carvalho, I will not be able to comment on the science aspects of what you did. Uh, but Ma'am Simi and your team of teachers and the children, you worked long and hard. So it's a big congratulations to all of you. And without doubt, your scientific turn of mind is going to be very, very crucial. It's this is what is required for the you're preparing yourself for your next what is it called schooling and education is all going to change to make it very scientific. Okay, so that's a great step forward that you all have taken. So congratulations everyone and thank you. A lot of you, it was commendable that you answered Father Carvalho's questioning with such confidence. Even us students of the senior school would not have been able to do it. So clearly you've been well trained and you've done your research and you've done your studying. So great work. So thumbs up to all of you, students and teachers and Ma'am Simi.
Thank you so much, ma'am. You could spare time in spite of your busy schedule. Thank you
Oh,
very much.
that's okay. It was a pleasure. It was a pleasure listening to them.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Uh, all right, children, all of you have to thank your teachers. That's the most important thing. You have to thank your teachers and your parents. Okay, without them, this science exhibition would have not been possible. All right. So I would like to call upon these teachers. Please put on your camera. Your cameras. Ma'am Bharti, Ma'am Shalini Sagar, Ma'am Anjali, Ma'am Mamta. A big and a very big thank you to all of you. Okay, children, I expect all of you to unmute and say thank you to your teachers.
Thank you, teachers.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, teachers.
Thank you,
Thank you.
teachers.
Thank you, teachers.
Thank you, teachers.
Okay,
Teachers.
okay, children.
Thank you, teachers.
You also okay. You also have to thank Ma'am Baljinder, Ma'am Priyanka, and all the teachers, those who have helped in the presentation. You have to thank Ma'am Nicole and Ma'am Pallavi for making the beautiful invite. Okay, and also in a few days from now, you will be going to class 6th. But you must remember these teachers who have ignited this spark in you to explore, and as father said, all of you have to keep on questioning. Just don't accept what is being given to you. Just don't do the rote memory of what is written in the book. Please never stop asking questions. Okay? Thank you, Shiza and Shranya. You were wonderful. Thank you, teachers. Heartfelt thanks to all of you. And now we will prepare for tomorrow for the second lot. Thank you, ma'am Shrija, once again. I think ma'am is again busy.
Thank you, all teachers.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much. All right, teachers, we'll meet here. In another 10 minutes, you people can have your tea and all. What time is your oral expression? 11:30, na Bharti?
I don't have. Shalini and Anjali have.
11:30 na, so we meet at quarter to 11 here in this team only. Let's not cancel. All the teachers who are presenting and you all, please be here. Okay.
Quarter to 11.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye Shiza. Bye Shranya. Bye all the children.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.